So as you can see right now, I'm in a Zoom meeting. I'll show you how to record Zoom meeting audio. Once you are in your Zoom meeting, click on more and click on record. And this will start to record your Zoom meeting with meeting video and meeting audio. Once your recording finish, just click on stop recording. And now you have to leave or end the Zoom meeting to save the recording. And here we can see the recording video successfully saved. And now we will extract audio from this meeting video. To do that, go to your favorite browser and search for MP4 to MP3 converter and open any website, and here click on select file or upload file, or you can just drag and drop the meeting MP4 or video file in here to upload. Once uploaded, convert from MP4 to MP3. Make sure to select your MP3 and click on convert. This will start to convert your video to audio. Once converted, click on download. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, and now here you have your Zoom meeting audio. Thanks for watching.